In this project, you're going to build your very own electronic arcade game called Catch the Light. Now, this is inspired by a game that you might have seen in a place like Chuck E. Cheese, where there's a great big barrel or drum, and there's a lot of lights around the outside, the top surface of this drum, and they go around really, really, really fast. And the goal is to press the plunger or button at just the right time when one of those lights is lit. And if you get it right, you get a bunch of tickets. And so this is our version of the game. We're using just 7 lights: two green, two yellow, two red, and a white. We also have a buzzer and um, an active buzzer and a button in our circuit. Then we're going to write a program to make the lights move left to right um, at a steady rate. And then if the player presses the button while the white light is lit, then the game will blink the lights to tell the score and buzz the buzzer. And each time the player does catch the light, the game speeds up just a little bit to make it more difficult. Now, in the lesson notes for this introductory lesson, I've included a link to a video where a guy created a little Arduino based project to test to see whether the real version of the game was fair or if it was rigged. And it's a really interesting video, not only because it's just fun to watch how he decides to test out whether the game is a fair game, but also because it's another circuit built with an Arduino. So I hope you'll take a minute to watch that video. And in the next lesson, we'll get started on the schematic for our project.